take a look at finding here tangent of 2 times tan inverse of x. We want to do this in terms of x alone. So first of all, you got to recognize this is x over 1 here, because based on that, you make a little triangle for yourself. This is the angle theta. Now, because the top is x, that goes here. Because the bottom is 1, that goes here. Then by the Pythagorean theorem, you have 1 squared plus x squared over here. 1 plus x squared. So now you have the following. Tangent of 2 theta. Remember that this thing here, this is representing the theta there. Now, there's a nice identity that says that tangent of 2 theta is equivalent to the following. 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. But that's useful here because we know by the picture the following, that we have 2, and the tangent here of theta is this x over the 1, so it just becomes x over 1, which is x. In the bottom, we have 1 minus tangent squared. It's x over 1, which is x, but you square it, so it's 1 minus x squared. And this represents, in other words, this expression, the original one, that is, in terms of x alone. If you like, it's helpful.